one at Kohl's. Yeah, I already have a, I got one over here. I'm charging it right now, but it doesn't seem like it's charging. So I don't know if it's still good or not. Nasira yung ano, yung band niya, nasira. See, I can't put it back. Sira na yung strap niya. Tapos if I charge it, I don't think it will charge anymore. Tapos no, it's not charging. It's been there for, I don't think it's working anymore. But anyway, this is my probably fifth fitness tracker, my fifth Fitbit. So, panglima ko na to. Seems like every time I bought Fitbit, I always ended up like buying a new one. It seems like it don't last very long for me. Like a year or so, maybe. Ito yung ano, yung Fitbit. Parang Apple Watch, no? Pero hindi. Fitbit yan. Tapos, ito na yung mga what's inside the box. Oh. Ano to? Extra na strap. And then, what else in here? And I bet I'll like it. I don't think I'll return it back, because I will be using it. Oops. Okay, anyways, para siyang light purple or lavender color. Yeah. And we'll check what's in this little box here. It's the charger. Wow. It's the charger. And then I don't know how to use it. Oh. All you do is just put it on the back. Yeah, it's kind of a clip, you know, a clip thingy. And then all you do is just take this plastic here. Come on now. Take the plastic. Come on, Fitbit. There you go. Wow, look at that. Look at the features. Nice, huh? I bet you have to charge this first, right? I got an extra one. And then probably you have to charge it. So there you go. That's how you do it, I believe. There. And then charge it. It's a USB cord. This is a USB to charge. It's not really charging at all. There you go. So I'm charging this one. I hope it's charging. So ito na yung ano, hindi siya nag-charge, guys. So it's not working. I might put that. I might charge this later. See if it works. And then I think you can buy a new strap for this. So I'm not really sure. But anyhow, see, sira na yun. Tapos pag ilagay ko, if I put it back, it'll come off. Kaya yun. So, yun na. Aray. So, I'm charging the new one right now. And then, we had to read the manual, of course. Put it in that box. And put this little handle there. We'll see what's in this booklet. Then you can download the app. I don't really know what size. It says, yung size, that's the size? I don't know, maybe. Okay, just put that one. I don't know if I really have to charge it. Download. To start, download the Fitbit. My goodness, it's fast. All you do is tap it. But I have to look at the manual because these are different, you know. They have a different features. It's not English. It's in a different language. Let me see. Where's the... I need my eyeglasses. Okay. So I paid... That one is... It's $159.99, $160. It's $160. Plus I have a Kohl's cash, $20, so it's lesser than that. I have to keep this receipt just in case. And then I have this Kohl's cash and a 20% coupon. Okay. I can't wait to use this tracker. It says, my goodness, I need my glasses. Where is my glasses? I have one. Okay, I need my glasses, guys, because I can't see very good. Okay, there you go. It says swim proof. It says swim proof, 24/7 heart rate tracking, sleep tracking, smartphone notifications, and battery life of 4 to 5. So, yeah. So I had to put it back in the box. For setup. There you go. It's a large. This one is large. And then I think you have to sync it to your somewhere to sync it. This is not the right one. Sorry. Oh my goodness. Come on now. Get in there. There you go. Grabe na to, guys. Okay, just that. I'll just leave that there. And hopefully we'll get this baby here working as soon as it's charged, and then that's it. Okay, guys, I already got my Fitbit set up, so let's try. Yeah, all you do is just kind of press this button on the left, and then and then just slide it. Here's the exercise, and then the alarm, and the relax, the weather, what else, the timer, the settings, and the tips, and I don't know what the other one is. So that's it. So that's the Fitbit Versa. Now I'm gonna start using it. I love the color though. They have white. They have white. They have pink. What else? Kind of a teal, blue, and I don't know what else. Forgot. But anyway, I like this color, and so that's why I picked this color. There you go. There. Now I'm good to go. I love it. For now, I love it, but I don't know. See? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Okay, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-boosh.